Hello Dnation and welcome back to a Diecast Motorcycle Unbox and Review episode. In today's episode we are going to be unboxing the BMW R1200 C, which is a 118 scale Diecast Cruiser Motorcycle manufactured by Motomax. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, the packaging on this one is a standard window type boxing with all the product branding and information manufactured by Motomax. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we crack this thing open. And with that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. Well, what we're looking at today is a 118 scale diecast model of the BMW R1200 C, which is manufactured by Motomax, which is a company I recently came across that manufactures quite a few amazing diecast motorcycles. And at first glance, this diecast model is a cruiser style motorcycle that looks quite premium and has a good build quality and also has quite a bit of detailing to it. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking. This model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3.8 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in at about 110 grams. This model also comes with trademark paint apps with standard branding details and also has free rolling wheels, a kickstand, excellent suspension, and a lot more intricate details, which makes it a premium collectible which is functional as well. I'm glad I made a choice to get this variation, as I'll be able to add it to my ever-growing 118 scale motorcycle collection. And with this model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. And so with that being said, now let's take a closer look at the exteriors of this motorcycle. Well, everything seems to be spot on, so now let's place this diecast beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium diecast motorcycle. And so with that being said, let's place this diecast model on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. The BMW R1200 C was a cruiser motorcycle manufactured by BMW Motorrad from 1997 to 2004. BMW manufactured 40,218 units, including a smaller engine version, the R850 C, which was produced from 1997 to 2000. The R1200 C was BMW's attempt to tap into the market and was a significant departure from their previous endeavors. The R1200 C was designed by BMW head designer David Robb, featuring a cruiser riding posture. From its inception, the R1200 C featured a passenger seat that could fold up to become a driver backrest with 3 different angles adjustable while riding. The R1200 C was one of the 4 BMW motorcycles featured in the Art of the Motorcycle exhibition in the museum in New York City in 1998. And for further information on the BMW R1200 C, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 118 scale diecast motorcycle that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this amazing diecast motorcycle. And I want to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and this is much appreciated. So please continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos, and stay tuned for some unique and fun diecast motorcycle episodes coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more fun episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.